Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to edit documentary video in CapCut. Editing a documentary in CapCut involves importing footage. So click the overlay and double click here, add overlay, and go ahead and add any footage related to the documentary. Okay. And of course, don't forget to organize a storyline with your voiceover. If you already have an audio, then go ahead and press audio here and click extract, right? If it's saved in your videos, or if you're using Android, then all you gotta do is just hit the sounds. Next to the flaming tab, you're gonna see a file and hit extract audio from video, or you could just go ahead and select device, right? So select from device, meaning that I have an audio recorded on my phone, and all I gotta do is just grab it and add it here, right? And if you have the audio, all you gotta do is just hit the plus button next to your audio. Okay. Now, all you gotta do now is just go ahead with the timeline, right? If the documentary, or if your documentary mentions something really important, like this photo, for example, and this is a still image, then you can add keyframes. So just add the diamond shaped icon here, right? And move the photo, right? And add another diamond and move it to the left. Okay. Or let me just, yeah. So you can add a little motion to the photo. Okay. Key techniques also include using compound clips for transitions, applying chroma blur for depth, and adjusting sound effects for a cinematic feel. So go back here using the arrow, hit audio, and press sound effects to add a sound effect, helping your video look more professional. So let's listen to this sound effect. Right, you have this one too. If you want to describe a vibe, add this one too, right? If you want like a glitch transition, and also don't forget to add effects. So go back and press effects at the bottom middle. Select the first option, video effects. So you can include effects related to your topic. So if you're talking about hacking or hackers, whatever, then you can go ahead and add cyber chaos filter, for example, right? Fashion. So it's going to look like this. If you want to extend it, you can extend the effect, right? But if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and add another effect, or just minimize, cut it short, right? And basically that's it. CapCut's desktop version is recommended for better control over complex long-form projects. But if your project length is like about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes at least, then you can work using your phone. So basically that's how you create the cornerstone of your documentary. And whatever comes out of that will be a product that the market will decide on. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps, and see you in the next one.